In this tutorial, you will learn how to see your Snapchat password if you forgot it. There is only one way to see your Snapchat password. Let me show you how you can do it. To get started, go to your Google account settings either from the Play Store or Gmail app. So open Play Store, and then click on your Gmail account logo. Now click on the Google account and your Gmail account settings page will be opened. Now go to Security. In Security, scroll down this page. Here you will see this option, Password Manager. Click on it, and it will take you to the Save Passwords page. Now find Snapchat. Here is the Snapchat option. Click on it, and enter your screen lock. Now you can see your Snapchat username and password if you saved your password in your Google account. If you didn't save your password in Google, then you will need to reset your password. If you saved your password, you can reveal your password here. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to us for more. Thanks for watching.